Tether MEXC up here in the top left. So same type of thing. We're still having sell volume coming on GORA while price is acting very well. So GORA acts well. GORA has, the last 6 months, sponsored our Learn Crypto website. So we were jumping on that. Nick got on that at, I believe, 18, 20 something, 28. I mentioned it the other day at 28 or so. So, but that is one that's acting well here short term. That's why I went ahead and jumped back on it as well. Also, you can see here on MANTA, Nick had picked this one up. That's a daily. This is a new one. Let's go in and do the 3 hour just so we can see more here. Show the trade that Nick picked up. After we bought the Bitcoin, he came in here and bought MANTA actually on a overhead buy. You can see here we took out 20%, sold it around 340. Some weakness coming in here at 327. That's one we're going to be looking at again, but we'll be watching that one later. Nick will be on that one. Anything else you want to check, just throw it out there. I've got a few here that I know we talked about. SUI is one that's starting to look interesting, I think. Not one that I've traded in the past. I showed these divergences as well. Some big divergences here on SUI. This is one I'm going to be on the lookout for. You can see I got an alarm set here around $1.29. Technometer clear back down to 40.38, but that's been a strong one. That might continue. I did see an alarm that XRP had gotten slapped, so let's go in to XRP as well. So XRP, again, you can see the standard is going to load here. I know the XRP chart is going to have nothing but sell volume coming in. I'm going to go back, change this to aggregate. See if that'll work here. Same type of thing, change all these to aggregate so we can bring in more volume. Another thing I can say about XRP is you are having the continued sell-off in the OP. You can see it's been relentless. If we load the chart up a little bit even more, the chart's not going to fill in any more to the left because TradingView only allows so much data that I'm grabbing on a 5-minute basis. So, XRP has been holding higher lows, but it looks really suspect here in the last few weeks. Technometer's neutral at 44. So I can't really give much there. The only time I would buy that is when I have a Bitcoin or Ethereum buy. Since I sold Bitcoin yesterday, I would have sold XRP, try to buy it back cheaper. So as you know, that coin has just not done anything. So not excited about that one. Here's ORDI, one that private client group customer of mine had also wanted me to buy on an account that I managed for him for crypto. Again, we got to go back here. We got to change this because this one's not traded on many exchanges. You can see the same type of thing there. I nibbled on a little bit of that around 53 for a few clients and him as well. But I sold that at 58.75, I believe, the day before yesterday. I got out a little bit early. I was worried about Bitcoin turning down. But this is one I think a person could trade as well if you have a desire to. Again, there's the OP setting at 44 neutral. I think that one could be an interesting one. We've all been talking about RNDR. That's one that had a nice little rally as well. Off the bottom there, off the same type of thing. Nice divergence. RUNE is another one. Had a pretty good pullback off the highs. Nothing glaring on the OP and force and technometer. INJ is one that Nick picked up, but we just got stopped out, I think, for like 1.5% return. He didn't sell that the last day and a half or so, wanted to trail a sell stop, so we did that. Stopped out, I believe, at 35.30, I believe it was. So that one, as I mentioned on the last broadcast, looks range bound to me. So I think that one pulls back a little bit as well.